Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot tell you how excited I am for today's video. We are gonna be doing a huge unboxing of some pieces from Brilliant Earth. This is a jewelry brand that I have actually already tried. The earrings that I'm wearing right now are from Brilliant Earth, and I'm so excited to go through 5 gorgeous pieces with you guys. I had so much fun perusing the site, picking out these pieces. This video is sponsored by Brilliant Earth, but I promise you guys, if you love jewelry like I do, specifically diamond pieces and solid gold pieces, you are going to love this video. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box that I show you guys. Let's just go ahead and jump on in. I always like to show how the package arrives for those of you guys who are new to the Brilliant Earth brand. So when I ordered these earrings, it actually came in a box like this. But as you guys can see in this order, we also have some gorgeous wood boxes. Everything was padded with this cardboard. I also did have to sign for this package because obviously it is a higher price point. But let's go ahead and unbox our first piece. This is what the box looks like. Again, it is a wood box, so this is absolutely beautiful. This is like a keepsake box. They have a ton of engagement rings on their site as well with wedding bands. So if you do order one of those, it's gonna come in a really nice box that you can hold on to for forever. Really quick before I jump in, I wanted to mention that I didn't end up getting any rings because a lot of their rings are made to order. And so I picked pieces that are just already on the site, but you do have a lot of options when it comes to designing pieces, especially rings. You get to pick out the stone if you want a lab diamond, natural diamond. They also have moissanite, which I thought was really cool. So there's a lot that you can do on the Brilliant Earth site, so I just wanted to note that. Back to our first piece here. When we open up the box, it looks like we've got some earrings. These are the lab diamond tube Huggy earrings. These are in 14 karat yellow gold with lab diamonds. All of their lab diamonds are ethically sourced and their metals are repurposed, which is so amazing. I'll have these exact ones linked below, but these are the 4mm Huggies. So these are the bolder pair of Huggies on the site. I think they're so pretty and sparkly. These are the Brilliant Earth earrings that I already had in the pear and round diamond studs. Aren't these so pretty? I'm gonna move these to my second piercing and put the new earrings in. These have a hinge design to them. I love these. I think what's so great about these earrings is that they are definitely a statement, but they're small enough to where they're not gonna weigh your ears down. You can wear them all day long. They look great in a main piercing, but they would work in a second piercing. I think they're a really versatile everyday earring, but because of the diamonds, you could definitely wear these to a nice event or an occasion. Just a really, really solid pair of earrings. I absolutely love these. I definitely could see myself wearing these as like an everyday earring. So pretty. Oh, love. Next up is this box, and this is one of their bracelet boxes. Again, I just love that their jewelry comes in these beautiful wood boxes. And when we open it up, we've got this beautiful bracelet. This is the Love Decoded personalized diamond bracelet in 14 karat yellow gold. I've never seen a bracelet like this before. To me, this is one of the most unique jewelry pieces I've ever seen. Essentially, this is like a Morse code bracelet where you can code in a phrase or initials in the 14 karat gold with these diamonds. On the site, you just input how many characters you want it to have and then what you want each character to be. I think this is such a unique way to personalize a piece of jewelry. This is what the clasp looks like. It's a box spring clasp, so it just hooks in like so. And then you've got the tab on the side to release the clasp. This is the classic width. They do have a petite version of this, which is a little bit thinner. I got it in the 6-inch length and I absolutely love this. I think it is so beautiful. And again, the most unique piece of jewelry I've ever seen. If you are looking for something that's gonna be a little bit more durable and a little bit more unique than a traditional tennis bracelet, I think this is the most beautiful option. Let's do this box next. Inside of here, we've got some earrings. These are the Andrea Cushion Lab Diamond Drop earrings in 14 karat yellow gold. I have been loving this style lately. This drop style I think is so elegant. These are a cushion diamond. I think these are stunning. They actually do have a stud version of these as well, and they have a round diamond version, but I think the cushion is really unique and really, really beautiful. Look at that sparkle. These are so beautiful. They have a hinge design to get them on and off. I love how they catch the light. They're in this gorgeous claw prong setting with this bold 14 karat gold around the diamond. These are a lab diamond. They're so pretty. I think these would be so beautiful by themselves. You do not need anything with these. They are such a beautiful statement earring, but very lightweight. I feel like I could wear these all day long or wear them to a nice event. I think these are another really versatile pair of earrings. I think the stud version of these would be really beautiful as well, but I have been loving the look of a drop earring. I am in love with these. They're so gorgeous. I love how a drop earring looks too when your hair is down. They just kind of poke through a little bit more. I really love these. On to our next box here. Looks like we have a necklace. This is the Fairmind Tyra diamond pendant in 18 karat yellow gold. It has these gorgeous bordered pave diamond settings. These are round diamonds set in this beautiful like ripple wave design. I think this is so unique, so beautiful. And the fact that it's 18 karat gold is so nice. They have this pendant necklace in a few different designs, some with diamonds, some just solid gold. I thought this one was really unique though. I love how big this clasp is. I feel like sometimes these daintier chains are really hard to get on and off by yourself. So I love that this has a bolder clasp. Even with long nails, this was so easy to get on by myself. It comes on an 18-inch chain, which I think is the perfect length for a pendant necklace. It gives you some flexibility if you want to wear a shorter like tennis necklace, or if you want to layer it. I think the 18-inch is the perfect length. I love the look of these earrings with this necklace. So pretty. On to our last box, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm very sad about because these have been some of my favorite pieces. Inside of this box, we've got some diamond studs. These are their perfect 4-prong certified lab diamond studs in the 2 karat total weight. These are set in 18 karat white gold. These actually go all the way up to 8 carats. You can get total carat weight of 1/4 of a carat all the way up to 8 carats, which is wild. You have the choice between 18 karat yellow gold, platinum, or 18 karat white gold. I went with the white gold because I feel like a stud like this, I don't want to see really the prongs or anything. I want the diamond to stand out. They also have different types of prongs that you can choose from. I went with the classic 4-prong, but they do have claw prongs and martini setting. You also can choose a natural diamond. I went with the lab diamond because most of my pieces are lab diamond and I think they look so beautiful, but they are a more affordable price point. I mean, look how sparkly these are. So these are actually really special because these have guardian backs to them. I've never actually had a pair of earrings that have a back like this. Essentially, these are locked in once they're on. You have to push these tabs on the side of the back of the earring. They're very small, but you have to press them in order to release the prong. That is gonna ensure that they don't go anywhere, which is huge, especially as you get up into the higher carat weight. You're gonna wanna make sure that your earrings are not gonna fall out. So these are so nice that they have these safety backs. Like I said, these are the 2 karat total weight. So each one is 1 carat. I went with the 1 carat because I thought these would be the perfect classic everyday stud. They're small enough to where I could wear them in my second piercing if I wanted to wear a bolder hoop, which I do love the look of that, but they're also big enough to where if I didn't have anything in my second piercing, they are so stunning. They're just such a statement earring. They're such a good carat weight for every day. You don't feel like you have to be so precious with them, again, because of the Guardian back and because they're not too big. I feel like if I was wearing a 4 carat, 3 carat stud in each ear, I would feel a little bit stressed about them. So I love the single carat. It is such a classic everyday size. They're absolutely stunning. I'm so glad I went with the white gold as well because I feel like it really lets the diamond shine. I could definitely see myself wearing these as like an everyday earring. But those are all of the pieces for this video. I'm actually really sad about that because I love everything. I don't think I could pick a favorite, and I mean that genuinely. All of these pieces are so stunning in person. I wish you guys could see these in person because I feel like jewelry is just one of those things that you have to see, you have to feel. And so hopefully this video was helpful. Like I said, I'm gonna have everything linked down below in the description box, along with some more info about Brilliant Earth if you want to check them out. They have, like I said, a huge, vast amount of jewelry on their site that you can check out. And they do run promotions pretty often, so definitely be sure to check back at the site throughout the year. No matter what your budget is, they have different price points for everything. So I could not recommend this brand more. All of the quality is so stunning. The diamonds are beautiful. The gold is beautiful. The actual like setting is so nice. Everything has just exceeded expectations. And they actually have, I think, like 40+ showrooms throughout the US where you can go in and see the pieces in person. So if you are lucky enough to live in a location where they have a store, I would definitely recommend going in, seeing the pieces in person, because once you see them, once you try them on, you are going to fall in love with basically everything. I love, love, love these pieces. You guys are going to be seeing me wear these non-stop, but if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was, if you can even pick one, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. If you want to stick around for some more videos, I'd love to have you back on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye, guys.